No, they tell me sorry. No, they tell. I don't like that sorry. Every time you go cheat on me, go come tell me sorry. I no want again. I no want.
Baby, I'm sorry. I swear to God, I will never cheat on you again. I swear to God, baby, please. Now look at me. I love you so much. Just look at my heart. Look at me with you in the soul.
No be like this. You take beg me the other time.
Baby, please.
You
know, be my sweetheart, the air that I breathe, my butter in my brain.
It will go my have again now. You don't give me all the stop.
You like it, Jai. You know how you used to play inside.
Yeah, no, I don't remember that.
Baby, guess what?
What is that?
Guessing now. Stop it. Just
you know,
guess.
I'm not good in guessing. I'm not good in guessing.
Well, I have a new boyfriend.
Jesus, Lord of God. You have a new boyfriend?
Yes.
Wow, that's good. Hey, it's good though. Me, I'm married next week. Oh. I'm married next week. My wife, don't go see him, people. If I see you later, I will give you this invitation card. You get?
You didn't cheat on me since.
Cheat on you?
You went and got married, Abba. You didn't cheat on me since. I took him, I knew it. I took him. You were.
What's happened?
You broke my heart. You broke my heart. And you don't even marry me. I want to go and marry another person. God will fire you. See you.
I thought you have a new boyfriend.
Beautiful man who still she don't even find. You don't even get money. You be blessing you shun me. You
But you have a new boyfriend.
I beg get out. I beg them go. You say I have a new boyfriend. I'm married.